Hey guys, Chef Wainaina here. It's time to check out my Rolex. It's been a while. I'm talking about my Ugandan chapati Rolex, aka chapati wrap or the rolled chapati. Easy, delicious, simple dish to put together that you can enjoy for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. So my take on the Ugandan Rolex, chapati Rolex is very simple. I have two peppers here. I got an orange and a red. You can definitely use one of them. I have a jalapeno. I got 2 eggs. I have a cooked sausage here. You can definitely skip it. A red onion, some cilantro, and scallions to garnish. And because I want to make my Rolex to be a full dish, I have an avocado here. I'm going to cut it into half and then slice it very thinly. You definitely need a chapati. It's time to prep up for our Rolex. I'll go ahead, chop, dice, and mince all our vegetables ready to cook. Also went ahead and chopped our cilantro and scallions for the garnish. Once my chopping is done, I'll put it aside. I'll go ahead and dice my sausage. This is leftover sausage, so this is definitely another use that you can find for leftovers. Done. Got 2 eggs here. I'm going to go ahead and beat them. Season, salt, pepper. Leave that there. Time to start cooking. So once the pan is nice and hot, I'm going to add some vegetable oil here. I'm using olive oil and canola blend. Add all my vegetables, everything together nice and hot. So this is a very quick dish to make. Season, salt and pepper. Yeah, it's very hot. That's all I need. All I need is just to sweat this slightly. I will add my sausage here. So Rolex is Ugandan street food. So this is my take on it. All you do is just sweat these slightly, cool them slightly, and then I'm gonna add in the eggs. You're almost making almost like an omelet. And then you wrap it with the chapati. Boom, this is done. Once my vegetables have nicely cooked, I'm going to add this here. I'm going to use just a half of this. I'm going to hit this with just a pinch of my spice mix, cumin, coriander, and fennel, just to give it a kick. Mix this onto the pan. So I gave our pan a nice wipe. It's nice and hot. So I'm going to add some vegetable oil here. I'm going to pour this mixture, the egg and the vegetables mixture onto my pan. At this point, think of it as making an omelette. So it's definitely a thin omelette. So the key here, you don't want anything to stick. Once it's slightly cooked, I'm going to take my warmed chapati and I'm going to lay it right on top. Then I'm going to press it down. I want my Rolex to be nice and moist inside. Then I'm going to come here with my plastic turner, move it around. So it's definitely not sticking. Take a plate here and then I'm going to turn this. Boom. So nicely brown. So all I need to do now is just to warm up the chapati. On my chana, I have my avocado. I'm going to put them on one corner. And then I'm going to go in with my cilantro and scallions. At this point, turn off the heat. I'm going to drizzle in some of my best olive oil. Just a hint salt for the avocado, some pepper. And then what I'm going to do, I'll take this corner here, bring it in, and then roll it and roll it. And then this one, take it off, bring this to my table right here. Oh, this is good. So I like my chapati to be nice and crispy. So all I need here now, come with a knife here, cut it at a bias. You can cut it straight if you want to. Boom, look at that. Look at that, beautiful. So there you have it, nice chapati Rolex. This is Ugandan street food, very popular. You can make it at home. Check out my chapati recipes. I have 2 videos out there, how to make chapatis. This is delicious. Let me go and taste. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel to help me grow it. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next week.